everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Colette again, and you are welcome to this channel if this is your first time. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. I love you so much. Please hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also hit the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video you will be notified. So today I brought to you guys a DIY on how to clean your eyebrow at home. So guys, you know we are on quarantine, you know, due to this coronavirus. To be honest, you know, life is hard, having to do your hair, having to do your nails, having to go to the nail salon. So we're not really sure what to do. The fact that we are home lockdown does not mean that we cannot look good. You know, at least if you're not doing makeup to go outside, let's look presentable, or our eyebrows, you know, need to be neat, you know, nice. So yeah, I brought to you guys a little trick on how you can clean it yourself at home. As you can see, my eyebrows are really bushy, right? You can see that, like, yeah, they're really bushy, and I've been longing to do this video for a very long time, but I think this is the best time to do it because of the kind of situation where we find ourselves in. If you want to see how I clean my eyebrow at home, please keep watching, okay? So what I'm gonna be needing is this baby right here. This is a hair cream remover, Nair, right there. I'm sure that some of you guys have used it to, you know, clean it somewhere, you know. And we're gonna be needing a spuli. Yes, we're gonna be needing a spuli, and we're also gonna be needing a little scissors, and we're going to be needing this eyebrow blade, and also we are going to be needing a brush, okay? Lastly, we are going to be needing an eyebrow pencil. So first I would like to just jump into it by brushing my eyebrow with my spuli. Next, I'm just gonna go in with my eyebrow pencil and outline the brows in a way that I normally would when I'm doing my eyebrows.
You are my life, you are my peace, you are the joy that fills my heart. Oh, many things I want to say about you, Lord. Many ways I like to say I thank you, Lord.
Next, I'm gonna be using this makeup brush to apply this product, and I just picked the brush that I don't normally use, so that if this cream has to mess up the brush, you know, it's not going to be anything for me. So make sure you pick a brush that you don't use, or something else to apply this product. So make sure you take your time, put a generous amount of the product on the areas where you need to clean out. Do the same at the top. Take your time before you mess up. Please make sure you put a generous amount, if not you are not going to see the result. Put a generous amount on the area which you need to be cleaned off. Don't be stingy with this product, or else you will not see any good result, please. You can see I'm still going back and forth, trying to make sure I have a generous amount of product on the area which I need to clean. So just do same on the other side. Make sure you put a generous amount of product on the other side as well. This is what is going to help for this product to work properly, you know, effectively, because you need the product to work. So guys, I am done applying the product. I'm going to be waiting for I'm just at least 5 minutes with this product on my face, and I'm gonna come back and clean it. Okay, let's wait. While I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and I always use this. One of the things that I'm gonna be using, I always use paper towel to clean it. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet this while the 5 minutes is running down. It's been 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes, you know, like, I'm a little bit stubborn. So yeah, it's been, you know, like 7-ish minutes so far. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this out with this wet paper towel. Make sure it's wet because you don't want to hurt your skin. You know, your skin is a little bit sensitive because of that hair remover cream, so you want to make sure that whatever you're using, you can use a washcloth, wet it in water, warm water preferable, and use it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and clean this and see how it turned out.
He has done me with no doubt about it. Come on now. He has done me with no doubt about it. Come on now. He has done me with no doubt about it. He's done what no man can do. Jesus.
Let's clean this again. I just, you know, like flip the paper towel and make sure that all the products is out. Everything is out. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, I love it. Okay, next we're gonna go to the next eye. This is interesting, right? Yeah, you've got to try this, you guys. You've got to try this. To be honest with you, you've got to try this. Look at that. This is unbelievable, you guys. Like, look. As you can see, I have a little bit more hair on this side, you know, like, yeah, on this side than this side. So guys, oh, I love it. So I'm gonna use my last paper towel. Make sure it's not as wet as this other one. As you can see, the water is dripping on my face, so this one I squeeze the water all out just to make sure that I clean everything very nice and neat and good. Wow, look at that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh wow, I don't even have much work to do on this again, right? Yeah, I don't have. I thought I would have a lot of work. So after this, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my eyebrow. So with this blade, I'm just going ahead to clean up the short hair that were not able to be cleaned up by the cream. Just make sure you are careful with, you know, using this, because remember the areas which you just, you know, remember the areas which you apply the product, they are still very, you know, sensitive. So be careful on how you use this blade. So I'm just going ahead and clean both sides. It gives it more of a clean and clear definition. Right now I'm just using my spoolie and brushing up my eyebrows, getting ready to use my scissors and do a final cleanup. You can see what I'm doing with the scissors. Just picking up that overgrown hair on your eyebrow. Yeah, this is the finished look. Again, this is what I use, this hair remover brand, and yeah, look at that. I don't know if you can see this very well, but like right there. I hope you like this. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this. So right now my eyebrows are looking very neat and nice. You know, even without me doing my eyebrow, it looks taggy. Okay, I hope you are going to try this. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next one.